bird hunt. Oh, I made it. Okay, this must be the place. Let's go. Whoa. Okay, that's... Whoa. Yeah. Oh, there's a bird. Yeah. Birdie. Yeah, I got the bird. That was magically fun. Oh, hey. He got a thorny. Take it up. Put it in a pile. Rock. Come on. Let's go, Bertie. You will be safe with me. Oh, no. Bertie. No. That's not me. I don't know if I should jump. Ow, ow, ow. That was pretty dangerous. Ow. Mr. Bird, are you okay? I must pick you up and then bring you up there. Maybe I can yeet you. Yeet! Hey! I need to get up there. Don't want to die. I made it. I did it. Oh, this is tiring. I need some root beer. Some root beer could help. Do 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 do. Now that's what I call a nice root beer. Wait a minute, where's the cat? No! Oh, there it is. Oh, stupid old me. Well, I got some stuff to do. You stay there, Birdie. Yay! Time to go down. Burn, 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 burn. Burn, burn, burn. Whew. Now, I have a collection of stuff I've been collecting on the ground. Yeah, that's a bit good. So, we got a sweet fireplace. Yeah. Ding. The next morning. It's time for church. Let's go to church, everyone. Here we go. Some church. After church. Time to get out. I don't want to be here. Church is scary. Very scary. And boy, I'm not going to like it. Any bird that flies will die. Cause the cameraman, aka Henry, you're not supposed to say it, sorry, his dad is shooting. And let me tell you, I know where he is. He is camping under a bush. I choose this spot so I can get a good eye of him shooting. Let's go see him. Birdie's still here. Check him out. That's him. If you like that video, then make sure to subscribe. If you like that video, make sure to subscribe. If you like that video, make sure to subscribe.